Hello everyone, Nancy with our Treasure Home and welcome back to the channel. So, we all love mail, but it's even better when it's a surprise mail because I didn't know who this person was. I didn't know anybody in Ben Wheeler, Texas. So, I know people that are in Texas, but no, not that particular part of Texas. So, it was awesome to get mail, and I was just curious. So when I got it and I looked at the return address, I got really super excited because, you know, I don't know if someone sent these to me or if I won these, because this person has a random drawing every month on her website. Not channel. Well, she does have a channel, but she does also have a random drawing on her website. So, and I was like, and the Lord knows I need seeds, so there's the giveaway. um, Not that it was a giveaway, the hint that it's seeds. I got seeds from Mary Heirloom Seeds. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. And I was like, I don't remember, I didn't order these, but it's a nice surprise. I like what she does. She gives you a printout of different seeds about when to plant them and everything, and that's just so cool. So here we are. We have, let me say that one for last, the Jimmy Nardella pepper. Now that I looked that up, that's a sweet pepper. It almost looks like a cayenne pepper, but not really. Cayenne's, I think, a little bit longer. But I'm going to be planting those. I have a mammoth radish. So that'll be exciting to see. And yeah, I'm not going to try to say that word, but a squash. And then this is awesome. I have calendula mix. So I've got a nice patch out here in the front that I'm going to start making that into a flower bed. But I just have to make sure that when the grass people come around and like to try to take the weed eater and everything, that they don't cut my flowers down and stuff that's growing. So, a simple no will work. But I was like super excited because we couldn't figure out if it was from my son and daughter-in-law, if it was for me and everything. He got so mad. He wasn't mad. He goes, see, it's for you again. It's from one of your friends. I said, I don't think they sent me any seeds from Mary Seeds. I think I want these. So I will put her link down below and everything to her website and to her YouTube channel and everything. And we found her through Garden State Gardener and Courtney, Wild Family Farm. So y'all go check them out. She is having a 20% off. I don't know how long that's going to last. Let's see if I can find out. It is, because I've got her email up. Because I was looking at different things. Alright, let me see here. Because she was talking about the different herbs. Here it goes. If you're shopping for herbs, use Herbs 2025. Check out 20% on all stock. Expires 3/28/25. So only a few days to get that 20% off. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.